Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in your target sleep window and assembling essentials. Once done, darken the room with blackout curtains or an eye mask and set white noise. Make the first move now. Shift your sleep 1 to 2 hours later each day, or, if time allows, do a single larger shift the day before night work. You do this to realign your circadian cues. Consistent timing and environment changes speed adaptation and reduce daytime sleep resistance. So act deliberately and start tonight. Once your sleep window is moving, control light and naps to reinforce it. Expose yourself to bright light during the first half of the night shift to signal wakefulness, then reduce light before your daytime sleep to cue rest. Take a long nap before a long night, or a short power nap mid-shift to restore alertness without breaking sleep pressure. Also schedule meals and caffeine. Have caffeine early in shift and avoid it within 6 hours of planned sleep. This combination sustains performance while protecting daytime sleep quality. To finalize the transition, lock in consistent sleep and wake times, even on days off, to cement your new rhythm. If you still struggle, use a brief recovery nap and consider low-dose melatonin 30 to 60 minutes before your sleep window to help shift timing. Start with 0.5 to 1 mg and adjust as needed. If insomnia persists, daytime impairment increases, or you face safety risks, seek occupational health or a sleep specialist promptly. Timely intervention prevents chronic problems and protects your health and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.